videos. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Erin Woods neighborhood of Calgary, Alberta, a vibrant community located in the southeast part of the city. Established in the late 1980s, Erin Woods was named after the daughter of a prominent local developer, reflecting the area's family-oriented atmosphere. Erin Woods is characterized by its well-maintained parks, playgrounds, and green spaces, providing a perfect environment for families and outdoor enthusiasts. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.